Welcome back. We're going to dive deeper into Canva Code, an AI-powered tool that can help us turn ideas into interactive learning experiences, like games and widgets. Every great designer, inventor, and big thinker has to test their ideas. Without experimentation, we wouldn't have so many of the inventions or works of art that we have. And with Canva Code, you have the freedom to test and tweak as you go along. Today, we'll look at how to build and refine a fun quiz widget, powered by AI but personalised by you. For today's lesson, we're going to create a science spinning wheel, but you could use this tool for any subject or topic. It's all about personalising your learning experience and bringing your imagination to life. Let's get started. Begin here on the home page. Select Canva AI and we'll start by writing a prompt. We'll ask for a spinning wheel quiz relating to grade 10 science. Remember to include 3 important things in your prompt: what we want, in this case a quiz, how it should look, a wheel, and what we want it to do. Cover different subject areas and remove the subject once we've answered correctly. Then we select Canva Code and hit the purple arrow. Amazing! Look at this. Canva Code is busy getting to work. And here we have our wheel. This isn't the final version, but it's an awesome place for us to get started and experiment. Let's give it a go. It's a good start, so now let's make some tweaks. Now it's time for the fun part. You can test your design and ask Canva AI to make changes or improvements until your quiz wheel is something you're proud to share. Let's give our wheel a spin to see what we're starting with. First of all, I want the questions and answer to be in a different spot. So let's just ask Canva Code in the chat box here. There we go. This version has everything where I want it to be. Now the structure is right, let's look at how the wheel operates. I want it to record how many rounds I've done, which will really help with my motivation. So I'll type that in. And let's ask for a variety of questions. Maybe some questions that vary in difficulty to really test my knowledge. You can keep chatting to Canva Code, writing exactly what you want. Let's test it again. Much better. What else could we ask for? Let's get some animations in to make the cards flip and make it feel more real. Now let's make some visual changes. I'd love it to be in my favourite colours, so let's ask Canva Code for that. Remember, you want this game to be fun and personalised to what you love. It's looking awesome. Learning is even more powerful when we build, test, and experiment together. And sometimes a little friendly competition can add to the fun. So now, let's look at how we can use Canva Code to make this widget something the whole class can use. Okay, let's take our quiz wheel and turn it into something a little more competitive. We'll type here to ask Canva AI for what we want. Let's connect it to Canva Sheets, where we have a list of our classmates' names. And we'll track the speed of the answers, how many right or wrong answers, and the overall completion time. And for a little excitement, let's add confetti for correct answers. Awesome. Let's hit enter. And now we can give it a go. so fun. Because our game is linked to a Canva sheet, we can view it by selecting it here and see how everyone is doing. You can see in these columns that there's all the data we asked for. This helps us track results and celebrate everyone's progress. One of my favourite things about Canva Code is how easy it is to share your creation with others. Now I'm going to show you how to add your widget to other designs. Okay, so here's our completed quiz wheel. I'm going to select Use in a Design here. You can see different doc types. I think this would work well in a website, so we can easily share it with the other students. Now that I'm sharing it with other people, I may want to make some visual changes. Luckily, Canva makes this really easy. Say I want this colour to be more like our school colours. I can just change it here, like this. And maybe I want a different font. I can see all the different options here and make my choice. Although I made this widget with Canva Code, I still get to experiment and make changes, so it's completely my creation. And if you want to find something you've worked on previously, you can just head back to the homepage. You'll find all your old chats right here, so you can access any of your designs. Canva Code is powerful, but so are you. The choices you make really impact your creations. Make sure you always give credit if you build on someone else's idea, and don't include any personal information in your prompts. And always test what you've made before you share it with others. That's how we create with care. Okay, now it's time to ask about AI. How does making tweaks to our widgets improve them? And why is testing them so important? Testing AI-generated widgets is just like experimenting science or drafting an essay. It's part of the creative process. Canva AI can help you create faster, learn more, and explore new ideas. But the thinking and the choices and the creativity, that's all you. That brings us to the end of this course. Thanks so much for joining us, and we really hope to see you again soon.